What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Entertainment. So, I've got some update with regards to Advocate Mnisi, and you know that Advocate Mnisi requested an adjournment on 9 June, that was on a Monday, citing the need to recover after running, the Comrades Marathon. But that request, it was denied by Judge Rata, who was famously stating that, personal events, even athletic ones, they do not justify missing court sessions. Judge Rata was very firm on that one, but the only problem is that the words that he used to get his message across, it was just the wrong one. So the Comrades Marathon, it was finished on a Sunday, and Mnisi was expected to be back in court on Monday, but he was nowhere to be seen. And even on 10 June, on a Tuesday, he was nowhere to be seen. The court, however, is proceeding even without Advocate Mnisi. So if you look at some statistics, they say that a full recovery, it can be expected, between 7 to 10 days. That's when most runners start feeling normal again, without feeling any of that pain, But a full recovery, you can expect it, maybe in something like 2 weeks. So Advocate Mnisi, we can expect him, next week. That's when we can then expect, Advocate Mnisi to show up in court and represent accused number 3 and 1. I'll catch you guys on the next one.